You meet me as I am. Your justice holds me steady. Your mercy takes my hand. You see beyond my actions. You hear my trembling soul. Where truth and kindness linger, that's where I'm made whole. Teach me how to love the way you first loved me, to carry gentle justice and give mercy freely. For in your heart both rivers rise and become one light, a light that leads me home and teaches me to